David P. Eusebel was an American psychologist born in New York. He emphasized the importance of verbal learning. He proposed the meaningful verbal theory consists of the expository learning, the advanced organizer. What is an advanced organizer? It is an instructional unit that is used before direct instruction. Two benefits that we can get from advanced organizer. Types of advanced organizer. The expository, the narrative, the skimming, the fourth one, the graphic organizer. Graphic organizers visual to set up or outline the new information. Here are some examples of graphic organizer. The four processes of meaningful learning. First, the derivative subsumption. The derivative describes the situation in which the new information you learn is an example of a concept that you already learned. The example: second, the correlative subsumption. The correlative, expanding concept to reach a higher level concept. Here are examples. Third, the superordinate learning. Superordinate is a process in which student learns a concept through the examples that one is already familiar with. Here are the examples. And the fourth one, the combinatorial learning. Combinatorial, a process by which the new idea is derived from another idea that is neither higher nor lower in hierarchy, but at the same level. Here are the examples. Deductive teaching is the process whereby the teacher teaches general information to specific details. We recommend also teachers to use advanced organizers in presenting their topic to the students for them to become active in classroom discussions, because by using advanced organizers, students can easily understand the flow of the discussion, which motivates students to engage in debate and share their ideas in relation with the topic being presented.